The new Alaska 511 brings more current and accurate information to Alaska drivers than ever before. There are many ways to access the new improved 511 system, including via phone and mobile app. But the heart of the system is our website at 511.alaska.gov. This video will give you an overview of the website and some tips about how to make it work best for you before you travel. If you know what features you want to learn about, check out the links below this video to skip ahead. Also below are links to video tutorials specific to the mobile app and to the 511 phone system. When you first arrive at 511.alaska.gov, you will see the 511 map. The legend on the right side of the window allows you to choose what appears on the map. Below the legend, you will see a plus sign and minus sign that allows you to zoom in and out of the map. You can also use a scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom. You can center your view of the map by clicking and dragging with your mouse. When you hover your mouse or click an icon like a camera or incident, a window will pop up showing more details. You can also click on a road segment to see details about current conditions. In addition to the map view, there is a text view drop-down menu at the top right of your screen with 4 options to sort and view data about road conditions, traffic events, cameras, or road signs. Text view allows you to search information alphabetically by name or location. For instance, selecting road conditions in the drop-down menu shows alphabetical listings by area. You can now sort the results by criteria like road name, status, last updated, and more. When you sign up for a My 511 account, you get access to even more features. To create a My 511 account, select Register from the menu options in the top right corner. Enter your name and email and create a password. Add your phone number if you wish to receive text alerts and click Register when you're done. You will then receive a verification email with a link. Follow the link to complete the registration. Once you have registered your account, you can confirm your phone number by entering the confirmation code sent via text message. Now you can create and save customized routes, enable text or email alerts for routes or areas, customize how the map appears after you log in, and get easy access to your favorite road cameras. Now we're going to walk you through how to set up each of these features. Let's start by building a customized route. Enter your start and end locations by typing the addresses into the address fields on the left side of your screen. You can also right-click on the map to select a location. Once you have entered the route locations, select the car icon. Review the routes generated and select the one that suits you best. If none of the routes provided work for you, drag the blue line on the map to create the route you want. When you've selected the best route, enter a name for your route and click Save. You will now have the option to create an alert for the route you just created by clicking the link in the blue pop-up window. You can also create alerts for your routes by clicking on My 511 on the top right area of your screen and then selecting Manage Routes and Notifications. Find your previously saved route in the list and click on Create Route Notification. In the next screen, you can choose the types of notification you will receive and how you will receive them. You can also create alerts for an entire area from the Manage Routes and Notifications page. Use the Draw tool to draw a shape around the area for which you would like to receive notifications. You can use the Hand tool to center the map as needed. It is also possible to choose the default appearance of the map with a My 511 account. Under the My 511 drop-down menu in the upper right corner of your screen, select Manage Preferences. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu for the map legend. From here, you can select the most useful features to you that will appear automatically when you log into the site. You can find more information about how to use the site under the About drop-down menu, also in the upper right corner. Do you see something that could work better? A feature you would like to see? Or do you have questions about the 511 system? Under Contact Us, you can send us an email that will be answered directly by our 511 team. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Alaska 511. Here are more links to learn about the 511 phone system, the Alaska 511 mobile app, and additional features of our system. Now you can know before you go.